Hey guys, this is how to create QR code for Google Drive folder. First thing that you would do is to go to your Google Drive, click the new button on the upper left corner of the screen, then create new folder. Then provide the name of the folder. Then click the create button. Once you created the folder, click this three dot icon and a pop-up will show up. Click the share and click the share button again. And now you should be able to see the general access. Then click this restricted and change it to anyone with the link.
Copy the link.
And now copy the link and go to Google and search for QR code generator. From here, you should be able to see a lot of options, but I recommend this one. And now this will be the home page of the website. Paste your link here. And from here, you should be able to see multiple frame. Just choose what you prefer. And now click on the download button. From here, just simply wait for it to load up. And it will automatically download. From here, just simply name the file. Select a location and click the save button. When you open the file, just simply scan it and it will redirect to your Google Drive folder. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!